This week, we bring you a power tip on setting your standard dimension style for details drafted in LandFX. First, we will need to load the Detail Builder toolbar. To do this, navigate to the FX Details menu and select the Detail Builder to load the toolbar. You should see the same toolbar. We are going to be focusing on the last 4 buttons which relate to dimension styles. If I use the LandFX Dim Linear button without a saved dimension style, LandFX will tell me I don't have a saved dim style and give me the option to use a default dimension style from LandFX. Next, LandFX tells me that I can save my own dimension style in the detail preferences of my install. Let's see how. Navigate to FX Details menu and select Preferences from the drop-down. Then select Save Dim Style. I can see that in fact I have no dimensions saved in my preference set. I'm going to close out and come back to this. Now let's repeat the steps earlier for adding a dimension, but this time when prompted, I'll say yes, I want to use the default dim style. Go ahead and dimension the footing of this detail. Now, navigate to the Format menu and select Dimension Styles from the drop-down. Select the default LandFX dimension style and click Modify. Go ahead and make the changes to the dim style and then click OK when you're done. When prompted, make sure to set this dim style as current. Now I can see the changes I made in my dimension style have taken effect in this drawing. Navigate back to FX Details menu and select Preferences from the drop-down. Again, we will select Save Dim Style. Because I am drafting in architectural inches, I will click the Save button next to the field for Detail Inches. My dimension style has been saved, and I can now dimension details consistently. Here's an example of 2 details drawn at different sizes with different scales. As we can see now, I can apply a dimension to the small detail, and it will be scaled correctly with my edits. And then I can dimension the larger detail, and LandFX will automatically know how to scale and apply my dimension style. This has been another power tip. Bring efficiency to your workflow with LandFX.